everyone, welcome to class today. So today we're going to do a straight up flow. It's going to be a little bit more advanced and I'm not going to be cueing very much. So I'm going to lead you into the posture and then that's it. So if you're looking for a really instructional video or a class that holds poses for a really long time, this is definitely not the one for you. But if you're looking for something where there's pretty much no talking and you're just getting the name of the pose, you've come to the right place. So we're going to start at the top of our mats and get moving straight away. Take your feet hips distance apart, grounding down into Tadasana, closing the eyes, and we'll take a few moments here at the top of the mat to settle into our breath. So bring your hands to your heart center if that works for you, and start to breathe in and out through the nose, coming into your Ujjayi pranayama if that's something that you practice. Maybe take a moment to set an intention. 3 more breaths. Blink the eyes open, Surya Namaskar classical. Inhale, sweep the arms. Exhale, fold. Inhale, right leg steps. Exhale, plank. Hold the breath lower to the belly. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, dog. Inhale, right leg. Exhale, fold. Inhale, raise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left. Exhale, plank. Hold and lower. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, dog. Inhale, left. Exhale, fold. Inhale, raise. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Hold to lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Hold and lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Hold to lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold to lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last round. Exhale. Inhale. Right. Exhale. Hold and lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Hold and lower. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, chair. 3 breaths. Exhale, sweep the arms back, lift the heels, balance chair, 3 breaths. Inhale, chair. Exhale, fold. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, halfway. Exhale, Uttanasana, fold. Inhale, right leg steps. Exhale, knee down. Inhale, raise the arms, crescent lunge, 3 breaths. Exhale, plant the hands, step back, plank, vinyasa or downward dog. Your choice, up dog or cobra. Look towards the hands, step or jump. Inhale, Ardha. Exhale, fold. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, drop the knee. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, plant the hands, step back, down dog or vinyasa. Look towards the hands, step or jump. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Exhale, stand. Inhale, chair. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, step to plank or jump to chaturanga. Inhale, up dog cobra. Exhale, down dog. Step the right leg, warrior 1. Inhale, 3 breaths. Exhale, take the hands down, down dog or vinyasa, optional 1-legged vinyasa. Step the left leg forward, warrior 1, inhale, raise up, 3 breaths. Exhale, take the hands down, your choice, down dog, vinyasa. Take 2 breaths in downward dog. Look towards the hands, step or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Exhale, stand. Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, chair. Exhale, fold. Inhale, Ardha. Exhale, Vinyasa. Right leg, warrior 1. Inhale. Exhale, Vinyasa. Left leg steps. Inhale, warrior 1. Exhale, Vinyasa. Take an inhale in downward dog. Exhale, bend the knees, step or jump. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Exhale, stand. 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, step or jump. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg steps. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg steps. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One inhale. Exhale, bend the knees, step or jump. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Final round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, step or jump. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, right leg steps, warrior one. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, step or jump. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, chair. Exhale. Take a step back. Inhale, chair. Exhale, hands all the way to the mat. Inhale here. Exhale, Bakasana, crow pose. 3 breaths. Options, step back or shoot back. Inhale, up dog cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Step the right leg forward, warrior 2. Inhale, 3 breaths. Flip the palm, reverse the warrior. Inhale. Exhale, side angle. 3 breaths. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, Vinyassa or down dog. Step the left leg forward. Inhale, warrior 2. 3 breaths. Flip the front palm. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, side angle. 3 breaths. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, down dog or Vinyassa. Inhale. Exhale, look to the top, step or hop. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Exhale, balance chair. Inhale, chair. Exhale, balance chair. One more. Inhale, chair. Exhale, balance chair. Keep the heels up. Inhale, arms forward. Exhale, sink down. Bakasana, crow pose. Option, lower the head down. Tripod headstand. Three breaths. Option, step back, shoot back from crow, or shoot back from tripod headstand. Inhale, up dog cobra. Exhale, down dog. Right leg steps. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, right hand crosses the body, modified side angle. Inhale, reverse warrior. Two more like that. Exhale, floating side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, side angle. This time hold, maybe reach the right arm out in front. Three breaths. Inhale, raise both arms up overhead. Modified warrior two. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, sink deeper. Inhale, five-pointed star. Exhale, prayer squat. Inhale, five-pointed star. Exhale, palms out, elbows in, squat. Inhale, five-pointed star. Exhale, arms straight, palms up. Inhale, five-pointed star. Arms at 90, palms in, squat. Inhale, five-pointed star. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, down dog or vinyasa. Step the left leg. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, sink. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, left arm crosses the body, modified side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale. Inhale, reverse. Exhale. Inhale, reverse. Exhale. Hold. Option to extend the left arm. Three breaths. Inhale, both arms overhead. Modified warrior two. Exhale, part the arms. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, five-pointed star. Exhale, prayer squat. Inhale, five-pointed star. Exhale, moon god. Inhale, five-pointed. Exhale, sun god. Inhale, five-pointed. Exhale, goddess. Inhale, five-pointed star. Exhale, parallel the feet. Prasarita Padottanasana. Hook the toes. Inhale, extend the sternum. Exhale, fold. Three breaths. Again, option to take the crown of the head. Tripod headstand. If you're in your headstand, split your legs slowly lower. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the hips. Inhale, stand. exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, vinyasa or dog. Two breaths in down dog. Look towards the hands, step or jump. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, right leg crosses for eagle pose. Right arm crosses underneath. 3 breaths. Keep the arms. Inhale, come to standing. Exhale, warrior three with eagle arms. 3 breaths. Stay here or start to dip the hands towards the floor for a modified standing split. Left hand down, open up, half moon. Back to warrior three. Any hand variation. 3 breaths. Final push for this leg. Bring the right leg through standing staff. Either knee to chest or extend the leg out in front of you. Hands overhead. Inhale, exhale, bring it back to center. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, left leg crosses over. Exhale, left arm crosses under, eagle pose. Keep the arms. Inhale, come to standing. Exhale, tilt forward, warrior three. Stay here, or as you exhale, start to tilt forward, modified standing split. Right hand down, left hand up. Ardha Chandrasana, half moon. Start to rotate back, warrior three. Any arm variation, 3 breaths. Bring the left leg through, either knee to chest or extend the leg in front of you. Arms overhead, standing staff. Inhale. Exhale. Foot meets the floor, hands to heart center. Take a step back on your mat. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, start to sink it all the way down. Bakasana, crow pose. Option, tripod headstand. One more breath. Option, shoot it back or step it back. Inhale, up dog cobra. Exhale, down dog. Right leg steps. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale here. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, modified side angle. Inhale, reverse triangle. Exhale, triangle. 3 breaths. Inhale, 5-pointed star. Exhale, squat. Inhale, raise the right heel. Exhale, down. Inhale, left. Exhale, down. Inhale, both. Exhale, down. Inhale, 5-pointed star. Exhale, prasarita. Inhale, halfway lift, aeroplane the arms. Exhale, fold. Inhale, 5-pointed star. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, cartwheel the hands, vinyasa or dog. Left leg steps. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale to sink. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, modified side angle. Inhale, reverse triangle. Exhale, triangle. 3 breaths. Inhale, 5-pointed star. Exhale, press squat. Inhale, bring the hands behind the head, elbows wide. Exhale, right elbow, right knee. Inhale, left. Inhale, right. Inhale, left. Last one, option to lift the heels, right. Inhale, left. Inhale, drop the heels. Inhale, 5-pointed star. Exhale, interlace the hands behind you. Fold forward, 3 breaths. Inhale, raise it all the way up. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, vinyasa or down dog. Look towards the top of the mat, step or jump. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair. Exhale, stand. Last standing sequence. Shift the weight to the left, tree pose. Right leg lifts. Inhale. Exhale, left hand, left hip, right peace fingers around the big toe. stay or extend the leg, Utthita Padangusthasana. Option to open the leg to the side. Inhale. Exhale, cross the right ankle over the left knee, sink down, standing pigeon, 3 breaths. Option to stay or take the hands down, flying pigeon. If you're in flying pigeon, either come to standing or shoot back, Vinyassa. If you're in standing pigeon, come to standing. We all meet in standing. Take the weight to the right, tree pose, any arm variation. Inhale, exhale, right hand, right hip, left piece fingers around the left big toe. Stay or extend the left leg. Option to open the leg to the side, Utthita Padangusthasana. Exhale, cross the left ankle over the right knee. Start to bend into the right knee, standing pigeon. Option to stay here or come down, flying pigeon. 3 breaths. Optional jump back, Vinyassa, or come straight to standing. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, chair. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, left elbow, right knee, twist. 3 breaths. Inhale, center. Exhale, right elbow, left knee, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, one last chance. Bakasana. Option to lower tripod headstand. Option step back, shoot back, Vinyassa. Holding dog, 3 breaths. Look forward, step the right foot to the outside of the right hand, lizard pose. Option to drop the knee, option to drop the forearms. Option to move back and forward. Turn the right toes out at a 45-degree angle, center the left hand, drop to the outside edges of both feet, sweeping the right arm back. Inhale, hands meet the floor. Sweep the right leg back, three-legged dog, inhale. Exhale, open the hip. Option to stay here or drop the right foot behind you, wild thing. 3 more breaths. Inhale, exhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, bring the right leg across the body, fallen triangle. Inhale, exhale, drop the hips. Wide-legged forward fold, seated. Inhale, exhale, fold forward any amount. Inhale, torso comes up. Exhale, right leg crosses under, left leg crosses over. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Inhale, sweep the right arm. Exhale, twist. Inhale, exhale, plant the hands at the top of the mat. Option step or jump back through a vinyasa. Step the left leg outside the left hand, lizard pose. Option to drop the knee and the elbows. Turn the left foot out at a 45, center the right hand, rotate to the outside edges of both feet, sweeping the left arm back. Inhale, left hand meets the floor, step back, three-legged dog, inhale. Exhale, open the hip, stay here or drop back, wild thing, 3 breaths. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, left leg crosses the body, fallen triangle, 3 breaths. Inhale, exhale, drop the hips to the floor. Inhale, center the hips, spread the legs, Uttanasana Konasana. Inhale, chest tall. Exhale, fold forward any amount. Inhale, upright yourself. This time left leg crosses underneath, right foot stamps across, right hand behind. Inhale, sweep yourself tall. Exhale, Ardha Matsyendrasana, twisting to the right. Turn towards the front of the mat, plant the hands, step or jump back. Look beyond the hands, step or hop through to a seat. Boat pose, 3 breaths. Take the peace fingers around the big toes, upward angle pose. Option, keep the legs together or take them apart. Option to stay here or take 3 rolls of the spine with control. Trying to balance on the shoulders and then on the sit bones. One more breath. Navasana. Exhale, extend the legs in front of you. Inhale, Dandasana, 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, Paschimottanasana, fold. Bring the hands behind you, underneath the shoulders. Reverse table or full Pavottanasana. Lower the hips, soles of the feet together, Baddha Konasana. Inhale, come up. Come to the top of your mat, slowly lower onto your back. Feet hips distance apart. Inhale. Exhale, bridge pose, Septu Bandha, Savangasana. Inhale. Exhale, lower. Your choice, one more round, or take the hands overhead for Chakrasana or Dhanurasana, wheel pose. Inhale. Exhale, raise up. 5 breaths. Tuck the chin, slowly come down. Take one hand to the chest, one hand to the belly, 3 breaths. Gently draw the knees in towards the chest, hands up to cactus or capital T. Shift the knees over to the left, spinal twist. Inhale through center. Exhale to the right. Inhale through center. Happy baby. Take one more inhale here. And then exhale, release, Shavasana. Take any other movements that you need. Come into any position that is comfortable for you. Let the palms come up towards the sky. Take a nice deep inhale through your nose. Hold it at the top. And then exhale through your mouth. Please stay here in Shavasana as long as you need. Stay as you go forward. May your thoughts be clear. May your words be concise. And may your heart be content. Namaste.